Alrighty, so here we go. So we're at Tamer's shop here today, and we are going to put my car on the dyno. So we're gonna check out what it does on the dyno today. So I don't really have any real expectations. I'm hoping for the most as possible. We'll highlight some of my setup after we do this, and I'll show you guys what I'm rocking up today. So anyways, let's have a look, man. Let's get this thing set up on the dyno. Let's see what it's like. The footage should be pretty sweet. Just inside Tamer's shop here, pretty full, pretty busy, but as you can see, he's got a lot of stuff on the go in here, so pretty cool. I don't know, I'll have to ask Rob, see what he says. Alright, so basically we're back again. We're at the dyno here. We're at a different dyno today, and gonna try and get another baseline on this thing. The first time out we didn't really have the greatest results. A little bit lower than what we expected, but just gonna see what happens today. So I got Rob Palm Beach waiting for my log, so we're going to try and get some here and get it off to him, and we're just going to see if we can get these numbers up here a little bit. So let's check it out. Alright, well, we got first line numbers. Let's have a look here. So we got 662 on the second run, 621. Definitely a little bit of heat soak going on there, I think. But yeah, we're gonna send this log off here real quick to Rob and see what he thinks of it. Alrighty, so anyways, we made those dyno runs there, and sent up the logs to Rob at Palm Beach, and he reviewed them, and he says that it looks like it's knocking all the way through. So kind of suspected that it might be the chance that we have some bad gas up here in Canada. Apparently we are known for having some weak fuel. So I do have a little bit of booster in there. I have a Royal Purple Max Boost, which is said it's supposed to be good for 3 points, but I don't know if that's the case. Anyways, I got a bud, he's gonna run me up some race fuel here. We're gonna mix in just a little bit into this and make a couple pulls. So we're gonna add in about 3 gallons of 110 and basically see how that goes. And yeah, let's get that done, and we'll try and make a couple more pulls here and see if that solves our power problem and ups the numbers. Well, we got some race gas in there, and anyways, it picked up a bit, so I'll show you the graph there. We're up to 679, almost basically 680, but for whatever reason, the RPM setting switched, so it doubled up the torque there, so we're going to let it cool back down, and we got that reset there. We're just going to give that a quick retry. So this is basically where you're at, and then you can see my torque. We're diesel now, man. We're making double power here. So anyways, yeah, we had that setting. For whatever reason itself, it just clicked off. So there we are there. So we're still under, so I'm not really sure. We do some more logging, and yeah, let's see what's going on. So anyways, we'll let it cool down and we'll do one more pull. Well, back at the house here, so left the dyno obviously, and yeah, I don't know, I guess, you know, we made a very small improvement, but not really what we were looking to see. So unfortunately gonna have to send off these logs here and sort of see what the boys have to say about it. I know originally on the normal pump gas that we were running, we said we were showing a lot of knock, so I was pulling timing, but we put in about 10 liters, 2.5 gallons of some VP 110 fuel. It picked up a little bit. I mean, we made basically 680 rear wheel, but apparently we should still be doing more. So I don't know. I mean, you know, looking for any recommendations. Of course, if anyone wants to drop any comments there, let me know what you think. But anyways, we're gonna just kind of work through it and sort of see if we can get some more power to this. I mean, I guess we should be somewhere in the 740 to 750 rear wheel mark. From what I hear. I mean, so I don't know, the car seems to run and drive good. It feels fast, but the dyno numbers aren't quite there. I don't know, maybe we get it out to the track, but I don't know if I want to run it if it's not running perfect. So yeah, I don't know. Anyways, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see what happens here. Hopefully we get some good information and get back to the dyno soon.